Darshan this side. Thank you very much for checking out this demo video of VidPresent. Now, VidPresent is the first app that creates highly persuasive business video presentations as well as PPT presentations for your business within few clicks. It really doesn't matter if you are an online business or an offline business, everyone needs a video, and these video presentations are built for getting sales. Now let's dive into VidPresent. Once you are logged in, you will come to this dashboard where you will see two options to start with. First one is create a video presentation and the second one is create a PPT presentation. Now let's start with video presentations for now. Once you click on this button, you will be taken to the screen where you do basic settings for creating your first video presentation. You just need to input your campaign name and select one option from over here. As we know, in 2022 and beyond, it's very important to create videos in any format such as landscape, square view or portrait view. Plus we have a fourth option to auto create videos if you don't want to show your face. Now let's start with landscape and check all the amazing features to create a video presentation. Now once you are on the screen, you can start creating your video presentation within 3 simple steps. The first one is to choose template. Now we have tons of templates available over here, just like these. Alright, so we have a lot of local niche templates available over here as well, such as attorney, dog care, bakery, and all the local niche possible. We have covered most of them. If you have any requirement of a new template, then we'll be happy to add it into the application just for you, definitely. So the first thing is choosing a template. Then we'll go ahead and add the content from over here. Now as you can see, there you can add multiple slides from over here, just like that. Now we'll go ahead and quickly add 5 slides and we'll start editing each slide one by one. So I will quickly add some text over here. Then you can add images from Unsplash, Pixel, Pixabay, as well as if you have used an account, you can definitely go ahead and connect that over here. Okay, let's go ahead and put up an image over here. Or you can add emojis, GIFs, and you can also upload your own images from here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and quickly add images for the demo purpose. Now slide number 2. We'll also select images from different sources over here. So as you can see, it's very easy to create these slides.